Hey guys, what's up, and it's time to do a speed test comparison between Vivo V17 Pro versus a Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. S9 Plus is having a flashy phone from Samsung, while the Vivo V17 Pro is having a high-end mid-range phone from Vivo. So let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. Let's see who is going to be the fastest one. Both phones is completely off, so let's quickly boot these devices up at the same time. And logo came up first on the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, and S9 Plus is also giving you a notification LED on the front, which you don't see on the Vivo V17 Pro because it has a full view display. And you can see Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus is faster when it comes to booting up, and Vivo V17 Pro, now it is also done. About 2 or 3 second difference between these devices. S9 Plus comes with a Quad HD Super AMOLED display versus a Full HD Super AMOLED display on the Vivo V17 Pro. So let's see the apps opening speed between these devices. So everything is closed up in the background like always. And the first application is the phone dialer, and you can see that felt a little bit quicker on the S9 Plus. So launching the settings, and again that was about the same on both phones. Very similar animation speed on both phones. Mic lock, and again that was about the same. Moving on with the calendar, and that felt a little bit quicker on the Vivo V17 Pro, followed by the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. So my files, that was about the same on both phones. Moving on with some more application messages, that was about the same on both phones. Moving on with some games applications. So first we got is the Candy Crush Saga, and S9 Plus is having a Exynos 9810 processor with the 6GB RAM, and you can see little bit faster I think on the S9 Plus, followed by the Vivo V17 Pro. Subway Surfer, and we have a Snapdragon 675 chip on the Vivo V17 Pro with the 8GB RAM. So last game application we have is the Temple Run 2 on both phones. And let's see, and Vivo V17 Pro looks like faster there. Yes, it is little bit faster than the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, and you can see about half a second difference there. So last opening up the application that is called as the cameras, that was about the same on both phones. So moving on with the internet browsing speed, I am using Vivo Internet Browser on the Vivo V17 Pro versus a Google Chrome on the S9 Plus. Amazon.com first website we have, and that's felt a little bit quicker on the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, followed by the Vivo V17 Pro, and you can see very small difference there. Let's see the scrolling speed and smoothness on both phones. Both phones is very smooth. So next website is the Twitter.com. And that is a little bit faster on the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, followed by the Vivo V17 Pro. Very small difference there. So let's see the RAM management on both phones. We have a 6GB RAM versus a 8GB RAM on the Vivo V17 Pro. So no refresh settings, that is again no refresh on both phones. So far very good with the system based application. Let's moving on with the games. No refresh. And you can see, and last we are back to the internet browser where we left. And guys, you can see that the app's opening speed is about the same on both phones. RAM management is also absolutely incredible on both phones, and S9 Plus is much better in the gaming performance compared to the Vivo V17 Pro. S9 Plus also comes with a Quad HD Super AMOLED display, which you don't see on the Vivo V17 Pro, and a much faster chipset on the S9 Plus. So thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between Vivo V17 Pro versus the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Let me know your thoughts on the Vivo V17 Pro. Subscribe to my channel for future content, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.